Today we are going to discuss about SDLC model. What is the SDLC model and how it works. So there are various software development models are designed and developed, which is used in the designing of software development model. These are also known as software development process models. Each and every model has its own life cycle, which ensures that the success in the development of particular software model. The software development process model describes the phases which is used in the development of software development model, and it decides the order in which the software process runs. First of all, the requirement phase start, in which we gather the requirements regarding to the software we developed. After the requirement gathering phase, the designing phase comes, in which we design the particular software. After the designing phase, the coding phase comes, in which we coded the software. After the coding phase, the testing phases comes, that makes sure that the software verifies all the needs and requirements of the particular software. After the testing phase completes, the deployment phase comes, in which the software is delivered to the customer and user for their use. And after the deployment phase, the maintenance phase comes, in which the system or software is maintained. In the requirement analysis, in the requirement gathering phase, the software requirements are gathered. This is the phase in which the stakeholders and the managers are placed. Meeting with managers, stakeholders and users. Users and stakeholders are placed in this phase to get the answers regarding the requirement specifications, like what is the use of the system, who is going to use the system, how will they use the system, what should the input of the system, and what is the output by the system. So after these questions are answered in this phase, after the requirement are gathered, then the requirements are analyzed according to the validity of the system. Analyzing the system, the document format of the requirement specifications is created, which is used in the next phase of the SDLC model. The second phase is design phase. In this phase, the requirements are designed. This is basically the software and system design, in which the overall architecture of the system is performed, and in the designing phase, the network design and system design is also performed. After completion of the design phase, the requirement specifications, after completion of the design phase, the data is used. The data serves as input in the next phase. The third phase is coding phase. In this phase, the overall work is divided into modules and units. Each unit is independently coded. In this phase, the code is generated. It is basically the development phase. In this phase, it is also known as consist phase. It is the consist phase of the software development life cycle. In this phase, the main focus is on the developer. After coding, the testing phase comes. In this phase, we test the product, that make sure that the product meets all the requirements of the software, and it satisfies all the needs and requirements of the particular product. In this phase, the system testing, integration testing, acceptance testing and unit testing is performed. After the testing is successfully completed, the particular software is delivered and deployed to the customer for their use. After the deployment phase is completed, then the maintenance phase comes. In this phase, the customer use the product for their personal use. Once the customer use the system, then the maintenance phase comes. In this phase, the main problems comes up, and the problems has been solved by the system developer. In this phase, the phase in which the customer use the system, they use the software product or system, and the problems comes up and their solution is to be solved, is known as maintenance phase. So these are the phases of software development life cycle. By these phases, by going all these phases, we develop the software product.